Okay, so let's keep working on this. So I'm going to let you do number 3 because I showed you number 1 and 2. Do your best on number 3. Then we have to look at number 4 where it says plot the point in a coordinate plane and describe the location of the point. So here it is. They give us this to plot. We have A is going to be located at a -4, so this is going to be your x coordinate. Remember, it's always x, then y, and x is the one that goes from east to west or horizontal, and y goes from north to south or vertical. All right, so x is -4, so when we go here, this is 0, and -4 is going to be a -2, and it looks like we're doing even numbers here, so this would be a -4. And then we're going to go up to a +3, so that means we're traveling north, so 1. And as you can see, so if we're doing even numbers here, it's going to be 2, 4, 6. That means 3 is going to be like in the center, right? So we'd have a -4, and we're going to go up to about right here for our 3, positive y. And so this is where I would say our A would be located, and I might want to do a little bit more or something here in a brighter spot so you can see that. So that's going to be a -4 x coordinate and a +3 y coordinate, and that's where you're going to find A. All right, so let's travel over to 5, and we're going to put P coordinate on here somewhere. So we're going to look for, once again, we have our x and then our y, and x is going to be that horizontal going from east to west or right to left, and I have 5 would be, let's see, they're still doing even, so this is 2, 4, 6, so 5 is going to be somewhere in the middle of 4 and 5, 4 and 6, sorry. And then I'm going to go down to a -6 for the y. So travel down here, and it looks like -6 is labeled for us. So this should be where P is going to be located. And that would be the +5 and -6.